Today, we're sharing 5 amazing kitchen deep cleaning hacks that will save you time and make your kitchen sparkle. There's nothing quite as satisfying as a clean and tidy kitchen, is there? It's the heart of the home, after all. But let's be honest, cleaning the kitchen can sometimes feel like a never-ending chore. Over the years, I've learned a trick or two for making cleaning a little less daunting. I'm all about simple, effective solutions that use natural ingredients whenever possible. We're going to tackle those stubborn kitchen messes with easy-to-find ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Get ready to say goodbye to grease, grime, and worry, because these 5 amazing kitchen deep cleaning hacks will have your kitchen sparkling in no time. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. First, let's give that oven a much-needed refresh. Start by removing the oven racks and setting them aside. A little soak in warm, soapy water will do wonders while we tackle the inside of the oven. In a small bowl, combine baking soda and water to create a thick paste. Think the consistency of pancake batter. Spread this paste evenly throughout the interior of your oven, avoiding the heating elements. Now let the magic happen. Allow the baking soda paste to work its wonders overnight. It needs time to loosen all that baked-on grime. In the morning, simply wipe away the baking soda paste with a damp cloth. For any stubborn residue, a little vinegar on your cloth will do the trick. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the grime comes off, leaving your oven sparkling clean. Cutting boards take quite a beating, don't they? Over time, they can develop stains and harbor bacteria. But don't worry, we have a simple solution using just 2 ingredients: lemons and coarse salt. Generously sprinkle coarse salt all over your cutting board, ensuring you cover the entire surface. Then, cut a lemon in half and use it to scrub the salt into the board. The salt acts as a natural abrasive, while the lemon's citric acid disinfects and deodorizes. Once you've scrubbed the entire surface, let the mixture sit for a few minutes to really let the lemon work its magic. Then, simply rinse the board thoroughly with warm water and dry it completely with a clean towel. Your cutting board will be left fresh, clean, and ready for its next use. Now, let's give that microwave a quick and easy refresh. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water, adding a few slices of lemon for extra freshness. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the water comes to a boil and the microwave is filled with steam. The steam will work wonders in loosening any stubborn food splatters. Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. It will be hot. And use a clean, damp cloth to wipe down the interior. The grime will wipe away effortlessly, leaving your microwave sparkling clean and smelling citrusy fresh. Don't toss those used coffee grounds. They're a cleaning powerhouse. Coffee grounds make a fantastic natural abrasive for tackling tough stains on pots and pans. Simply sprinkle a small amount of used coffee grounds onto the surface of your pots and pans. Then, using a scrub brush or sponge, gently rub the coffee grounds into any stubborn stains or burnt-on food. The abrasive texture of the coffee grounds will help to loosen and lift away the grime. Once you've scrubbed away the stains, rinse your pots and pans thoroughly with warm, soapy water. They'll be left sparkling clean and free of any lingering coffee scent. It's an eco-friendly and effective way to give your cookware a new lease on life. Finally, let's give that stainless steel sink a brilliant shine. Believe it or not, a little bit of toothpaste can work wonders on stubborn watermarks and stains. Apply a small amount of toothpaste, the white stuff works best, to a soft sponge or cloth. Gently rub the toothpaste onto the surface of your sink, paying extra attention to any areas with watermarks or stains. The mild abrasive in the toothpaste will help to buff away imperfections and restore shine. Once you've scrubbed the entire sink, rinse it thoroughly with warm water. You'll be amazed at how shiny and new your sink looks. It's a simple and effective way to keep your stainless steel gleaming. Thanks for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy cleaning! Remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and with these simple, natural cleaning solutions, you can achieve a sparkling clean kitchen without harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing. Until next time, embrace the joy of a well-kept home. Thanks for dropping in today, and we'll see you in the next episode.